YouTube, this is DIY with Donna, and today I'm going to talk about how to make a valance. First, I looked online to see a style I wanted to create. Next, I gathered the materials that I would need: a foam board, some pretty fabric, and then items like a box cutter, glue gun, scissors, Velcro, tape, ruler, and a pencil. So looking at this valance that I want to make, I see two shapes that I'm going to have to cut out of my foam board. I see a rectangular shape, and I also see some wide U shapes that I'm going to have to cut out. So I measured my window and it was 45 inches. Of course I want it to lay on the outside, so I'm going to add 3 more inches, which will make the front of my valance 48 inches. I chose 48 because the U-shaped patterns that I need to add, I want to have 4 of them. And since 4 goes into 48 evenly, each of these have to be 12 inches long. So this is my plan of attack. So here I've created a template out of an old calendar, and I placed it on the foam board and cut it with the box cutter. So here I've cut out my 4 U shapes and I have 2 rectangular boards. So here I've taped together the 2 rectangular boards to get my desired length of 48 inches across. Here I glued another piece of foam board to the back to ensure the new rectangle is sturdy. Now I proceed by gluing the U shapes to my rectangular board. Once the valance shape is completed, you can begin to glue the fabric onto the foam board. There is a little bit of a challenge getting the material around the U-shaped portions, but stick with it, it'll come together. Next, I created another U-shaped template, a narrower one, to go in between the other U shapes on my valance. I selected different material with the same colors to offset the design of the valance. Here, the narrower U shapes, black and white and yellow, are glued to the back. On each side of the valance, you will need to glue another piece of foam board to hold the Velcro that is going to be used to hang the valance up. So this is the result of the valance. I think it came out pretty good. So I had some extra material, so I decided to make some more. So I decided to make 3 more valances for the bay window. I decided not to do the U-shaped at the bottom. And of course, this went much faster. And here are the 3 valances on the bay window. This is DIY with Donna. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and we'll see you next time.